upon you all. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another class of MSTEP. Today, I am going to talk a very interesting topic and one of my personal favorite. It is nothing but time management. Well, if you want to be a world-class leader, have good work-life balance, and generally want to be successful in your career and in your life, this is the topic that you need to pay a lot of attention on. Everyone gets 24 hours in a day. Nobody gets more and nobody gets less. So, why is it that some people are always struggling to manage their time? Are always running pillar to post and always trying to squeeze in so much in their 24 hours? Still having no time for themselves, at the end of the day, these people complain, I don't have time. On the other side, we have another group of people who are able to manage all their time very properly. They are able to prioritize, they are able to plan, and they are able to accomplish everything in the day's time. At the end of the day, they have a lot of time for themselves and are always productive. The difference between these two set of people is the later set of people are always kind of people who have learned the technique of time management. And that is the reason why we having this topic on time management. Why do we need time management? Well, there are a lot of benefits associated with being able to manage our time properly. And once we know what these benefits are, we are going to strive to be better with our time management. The most important benefit is time management helps us to save time. Well, time management helps us to reduce stress. Then, it helps us to function effectively, be a constructive and a productive worker at our workplace. It helps to increase our work output. It helps us to have more control over our job responsibilities. It helps us to prioritize, which means it helps us to plan our tasks better, know what to do first and know what to do last. It helps us to get more done in less time. It helps us to give good quality of work. We all should strive for quality work rather than just finishing off our tasks and doing more multiple tasks. Quantity is not so good, but quality is always better. It helps us to discipline ourselves. And last not the least, it helps you to make sure that you deliver what is promised. These are some of the benefits of time management. And I'm sure listening to all this, you would definitely want to learn how to save time, how to manage your time. So, one of the very important way of managing our time is being able to create something which is known as productivity journal. A productive journal is nothing but a time log of your day-to-day activities. What you do in your entire day's time. Right from the time you get up to the time you retire to bed at night. And it's important to use your productive journal every day. Don't just use it once and let it go off it. So, it's important to plan the night before. Now, the reason why I'm saying plan the night before is because When you sleep at night, your subconscious mind is the most alert. At that point of time, whatever you feed into the mind stays with you till the morning hours. Again, a very important way of managing your time is better having to-do list. To-do list is a concept which most of us really know about, but have you really practiced it? It is a question I would want to ask yourself. To-do list is very important to make sure that all your tasks get captured and completed within a specific point of time in your day. Then the next one is one of the most fundamental of time management, which is learning how to tackle procrastination. Now, procrastination means not being wanting to complete a particular task, setting it off for some other time, but it is the avoidance of doing a task that need to be accomplished. Thus, putting off impending task to a later time. We all know that human beings by nature are very lazy and careless, and they do want to do things at that particular time. The next part of time management is understanding what are our time wasters. We waste so much time within our 24 hours. You will not believe it, but yes, it is true. We waste 80% of our day on activities which are not really productive and taking us towards where we want to be. The major time wasters are complaining, perfectionism. Perfectionism means expecting too much to perfectness. Then lack of priorities, the fear of failure, worrying about critics, waiting for inspiration, dwelling about the past, trying to please everybody, repeating the same mistake, comparing yourself to others. Then, not valuing your own time is also a major time waster. If you don't value your own time, nobody else will value your time. So, these are certain areas or problems of time wasters. One who know how to deal with all these are one step closer to managing the time better. Well, I would like to conclude by saying that time spent or time lost will never come back again. Learn how to prioritize, schedule, and manage our time better for to be successful in our life. I hope you have enjoyed listening to my video on time management, and I hope you will practice all that you have learned here. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you.